Sure, why not?
No, just put it in a bowl.
Yeah, we'll put it in the bowl.
Oh no! Oh no! We're making some noise.
You're definitely making some noise. What's up, everybody? I'm Ryan, and what's your name?
We're working.
What's your name?
We're working.
What's your name? And you are watching Ryan Rae make ice cream, and tonight we're going to do something really fun. We are going to make Vermont Maple Ice Cream. Should I fix your hair?
No.
No?
There's curly hair.
That's very curly hair. Well, I love it. So we're going to make Vermont Maple Ice Cream.
Yeah!
Yeah! We're going to make it, and we're going to use very special maple syrup. So in this house, we only use maple syrup that comes from Vermont. Mainly because I'm from upstate New York, and I love, love, love Vermont so much. You like Vermont, the state, too?
Yeah. And back ice cream too.
Oh, okay, cool. So tonight we're just gonna have a lot of fun. And what I really like about this is we are going to use some of my favorite maple syrup. And it actually comes from the Maple Guild in Maple Guild, all the way from Island Pond, Vermont.
I'm not
Yeah. Island Pond, Vermont is an incredible town in the northeastern part of Vermont, very close to the Canadian border. And that's where some of the best maple syrup is made.
Yeah.
The Maple Guild actually has 16,000 acres of sugar maple trees.
Yeah.
Yes, and that's where all this deliciousness comes from.
It's boomerang.
So the Maple Guild, they were kind enough to send us some free maple syrup because I won some Christmas contest. No ice cream yet. And so they actually sent us 2 flavors. We are about to make it. And one of the flavors they sent us is salted caramel maple syrup. So we're just gonna have a lot of fun with it, and we'll show you exactly how to make it. You ready to get started?
Yeah.
Say, let's go!
Let's go.
So for this ice cream, we really only need 4 ingredients. Ray, what are we gonna get started with?
Maple syrup.
How about we save that for the end? But what should we start with?
Sugar.
Sugar! Instead of using regular sugar, we're gonna use brown sugar. Yeah, does that sound good to you? Cool. So for our Vermont maple syrup ice cream, we're gonna use some brown sugar.
Yeah.
We're gonna use a tablespoon. Just a tiny bit? Okay, cool. So for our...
Not use too much.
Not use too much. So we're gonna use a tablespoon of brown sugar. You wanna pour this in? Good job.
Whoa! That was yo.
And so the sugar isn't actually totally necessary because the maple syrup has so much sugar in it. But brown sugar tastes really good, and Ray likes to put sugar in there, so he kept it in here. So I suggest you do the same. Add a little flavor to it. So we've got the brown sugar in. What should we put in next?
Milk.
Milk. Let's do it. Got our milk right here, and we will do 1 cup. Ray, you want to pour this in? All the way. Good job, and go for it. So we've got our brown sugar, we've got our whole milk. What do we need next?
Cream.
Cream. Let's do it. We're going to pour in 2 cups. Sure. All right, let's do it. There we go, a little bit more. All the way. Voila. Right, you can drink the rest. And as Ray finishes that off, we are going to use our salted caramel infused maple syrup from the Maple Guild. Again, in Island Pond, Vermont, shout out. So here it is, about to open it. And for this recipe, we're going to use 1 full cup of maple syrup. We are going to pour this in. We'll use 1 cup.
We like it?
Yeah, you love syrup.
I want to drink it.
You want to help me with it? All right, now we will pour this in.
I want to drink it.
I bet you do want to drink it, but Daddy probably shouldn't let you just drink maple syrup. I probably wouldn't be very responsible with me.
No.
No. Keep it like that.
Yeah. on the table.
But how'd you get on the table? So we just poured in our maple syrup. You want to know something really cool about maple syrup? It actually takes 40 gallons of maple sap in order to make 1 gallon of maple syrup. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty crazy.
I want to drink milk and cream.
So we've got all of our ingredients in here. So now we are ready for our ice cream station. So Ray, how about we go back over there and we'll get it mixing. That sound good?
And we do spoons drink it?
Sure. You ready to go?
Yeah. And we touch maple syrup.
Okay.
Here.
Sounds good. All right, cool. Let's go over there.
Please help me, Daddy.
Okay. All right. So we've got all of our ingredients right in here. We are going to put this right on. Ray's going to put that down. We're in our KitchenAid. Turn it on. And we get it mixing. Woo, that's got a good color already. So it's been mixing for a couple minutes. Until it's got a nice mapley color. Ray, what do you think?
It's too much mixing.
Too much mixing? All right, cool. So we'll turn it off. And let's have Ray take a taste. What do you think?
Awesome, more.
So we'll get it mixing. But you know what time it is now. Time for the cold bowl. Here we go. We got the cold bowl. Ray is super pumped about it. We'll put it right in here. And now we'll turn this off.
Yeah. I want it.
Take that. Ray can take that.
No, please no take it.
Okay, I won't take it. I will take this. We'll pour it in. Ray's gonna turn it up. And we'll let that mix for about 25 minutes. While Ray takes care of our favorite part. Alright, so it's been 25 minutes. That looks good. So, Ray's in her pajamas because it's almost bedtime. Ray's going to give it a shot. Hopefully just a little tiny scoop. Alright, Ray, what do you think?
Awesome, more.
Want some more? But first, gotta tell our friends. What do you think?
Yum.
Yum! Ray approved. So let's move this over to our table. And we'll put it in our container.
Please help me take it off.
Okay, I'll be over in just 1 minute. We are back. We've got our ice cream right here. We've got our container right here. So now we are going to put it into the container because that's what you do with ice cream.
I
So,
want this. I want this.
you want the spoon? I bet you do.
I want spoon.
All right, well, let's use a spoon to get it in here. As you can see, we have a really thick ice cream. let's put you right back here. And it is so mapley good. I wish you could try it. Maybe you can. So we're gonna put this right into here. Wow!
Whoa.
You want a little spoon? There's that. What do you think? That's seriously so good. Shout out to the Maple Guild. What do you think? You want to one day go up to Island Pond, Vermont and check them out?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. All right, so there you have it. We have our Vermont Maple Ice Cream. It's seriously so good. I love it so much. Ray, do you like it? Yeah, me too. So for now, we're going to put this in the freezer, so we're gonna turn it into hard ice cream, and we're gonna have a lot of fun with it. So for now, I think we're all done. Again, we just wanna say thank you so much to the Maple Guild. If you haven't got their maple syrup yet, go check them out at a number of locations, including Sprouts, get them online, wherever you can find them. They're seriously so good. So thank you so much. And I think we're all good for tonight. So anything you wanna say to our friends?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Have a good night, guys. Whoa, too big. There, that's it. How's that?